Due to the fact that popularity doesn't always equate to dependability, some of the most well-liked SUVs on the market may not be the greatest ones available. The list of the least trustworthy SUVs has changed significantly since 2022, although the Volkswagen Taos and Kia Sorento are still two of the least reliable vehicles on the market. However, testing of all new models for the year has started by this point in 2023, thus the list of least reliable SUVs has changed significantly. All of the models on this list have either had reliability concerns in the past or are currently the subject of NHTSA recalls and complaints. Naturally, if you're shopping for a new SUV and want to avoid worrying about reliability, you might want to give some of the options on this list a second thought. Number 10. 2023 Hyundai Kona. Predicted reliability, 2 out of 5. The Hyundai Kona is technically still in its first generation, although a whole new model is scheduled to debut in 2024. Given that it hasn't always been the most dependable crossover available, this is fantastic news. Consumer Reports has only ever given the Kona a rating above 3 out of 5 once since 2018, and that was for the 2021 model year. The 2022 model was once again only given a 2 out of 5 rating. The prior year on the market for this generation doesn't have a solid future. A 2 out of 5 reliability rating is projected for the Hyundai Kona. The second-generation vehicle, which ought to be available for the 2024 model year, offers a lot of promise. It goes without saying that you might want to hold off a little bit longer if you want a Kona. Number 9. 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Predicted reliability, 2 out of 5. The 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee has advanced from previous iterations, offering an interior that offers a quieter, more polished ride equipped with user-friendly technology. Even tall passengers have plenty of room to stretch out, and the Grand Cherokee in the Jeep lineup's wood grain with simulated jewel style produces an opulent environment that is unmatched. The same smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission is coupled to the same V6 engine under the hood. As you may have probably surmised, Consumer Reports gives this mid-sized Jeep SUV a 2 out of 5 reliability rating. Customers' issues concerning noise and leaks are the same for the Grand Cherokee as they are for the other versions. However, there are a lot of complaints regarding this specific model's temperature blend doors not working and the engine not starting because of a bad control module. Number 8. 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Predicted reliability, 2 out of 5. Mercedes-Benz is renowned for providing incredibly pleasant rides packed with luxury and technology. That is technically 3 things, but since they are all found inside the mid-size SUV's cabin, we may lump them together as one category under the heading of tech and luxury. The GLE has unfortunately earned a spot on this list due to its little underperformance compared to what is anticipated of a high-class car. A Mercedes-Benz model may not be something you ever expect to see on a list of unreliable vehicles. However, every automaker experiences periods when they are not at the top of their game. One such SUV is the Mercedes-Benz GLE, which had a predicted dependability rating of 2 out of 5 for 2023 due to several electronic component faults. Number 7. 2023 Ford Escape. Predicted reliability, 2 out of 5. The Ford Escape's 2020 facelift visually moved away from the SUV you may have been used to seeing and toward what was once thought of as a hatchback or even a small station wagon. Today's SUVs are designed to transport cargo, such as groceries or family and friends, while also being a lot of fun to drive. The 2023 Ford Escape is entertaining to drive, although there are some vibrations at lower RPMs, and the transmission shifts sometimes. The 2023 Ford Escape hasn't seen many changes since the upgrades in 2020, therefore the same problems should continue to exist. Because of this, Consumer Reports gave the Ford Escape a predicted dependability rating of 2 out of 5, an improvement from the 1 out of 5 the SUV received the year prior. Owners frequently complain about excessive noise when driving, water leaking through the seals, and early brake wear. Number 6. 2023 Lincoln Aviator. Predicted reliability, 1 out of 5. In 2020, the Lincoln Aviator made its market debut after a 15-year absence, although sales haven't been as strong as the brand had hoped. There is so much cutting-edge technology within that it can be challenging to understand. Particularly if you choose the higher trim levels, the ride is plush and comfy. Overall, the ride is what one would anticipate from a larger SUV, with the exception of the excessive noise when accelerating. Since its reintroduction, the Aviator has experienced problems with its interior electronics, body integrity, paint, trim, and suspension, among other things. Consumer Reports anticipated a reliability rating of merely 1 out of 5 based on past model years. Considered in light of the fact that Lincoln is intended to be Ford Motor Company's premium brand, this is not good. Number 5. 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. Predicted reliability 1 out of 5. There was a lot of anticipation for the revised Pathfinder as a new model. However, Consumer Reports claims that the 2022 model had a number of problems. In-car electronics, power tools, body hardware, and serious transmission problems were among the issues. The engine lineup performed admirably. The Pathfinder, however, was given a dependability score of 1 out of 5 for 2022 due to these additional problems, and it is anticipated that it will obtain the same reliability grade for 2023. Number 4. 2023 Ford Explorer. Predicted reliability 1 out of 5. The Ford Explorer, now in its 6th generation, was appealing, modern, and better than ever for the 2022 model year. Certainly from the outside. When you look closely at the Explorer, it is clear that Ford took a step back with it, taking you back to the early days of the SUV's introduction to the market. The engine is loud, the transmission clanks, and the interior suspension is hard and rough. The Explorer has, however, regularly been plagued by problems with the in-car electronics, power equipment, body hardware, body integrity, and even occasionally reported small transmission problems. 2020 and 2021 received a 1 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports, however 2022 received a 2 out of 5 rating. Despite this, the publication forecasts that the 2023 Ford Explorer will receive a 1 out of 5 reliability rating. Number 3. 2023 Kia Sorento. Predicted reliability 1 out of 5. The reliability of the Kia Sorento has been an issue since the beginning of 2010. Similar to its predecessors, the new Sorento has reliability concerns that Kia has not attempted to address, earning it a grade of 5 out of 100, according to estimates. The hybrid SUV's engine components have both significant and minor concerns with the 2023 model, with the transmission and drivetrain being the main culprits. Number 2. 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV. Predicted reliability 1 out of 5. Chevrolet made the decision to update and improve the base Bolt in 2022, resulting in the Chevy Bolt EUV, which is more of an SUV than a compact car. The vehicle provides a smoother, more comfortable ride and more interior space for passengers or luggage or any other objects. Additionally, the Bolt EUV is the first GM car outside of the Cadillac series to use the Super Cruise active safety feature. It looks terrific up close and sounds fantastic on paper. Consumer Reports still assigns it a 1 out of 5 expected dependability rating. Time will tell if the little SUV's typical problems with the electric motors continue, possibly because of how poor the car has historically been. Number 1. 2023 Volkswagen Taos. Predicted reliability 1 out of 5. The 2022 Volkswagen Taos has earned the title of least dependable SUV in the United States. The manufacturer has not indicated to anyone that they plan to make adjustments to improve on any of the concerns, thus it is assumed that the new model year will be just as awful. One of the primary problems, according to testers and owners, is a substantial delay when starting off from a complete stop. The major and minor engine issues, problems with all the electrical components, including safety features, major and minor transmission failure, serious fuel system issues, and drivetrain issues that could leave a person stranded on the side of the road are the main causes for the ranking given by SUV owners. This explains why Consumer Reports gave the Taos a reliability rating of 1 out of 100. Having said that, what do you think about this list? Let us know your thoughts in the comment box below. If you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.